In this video, I will show you how to schedule a YouTube video upload. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is just click onto the create button in the top right hand corner, then click onto upload video to bring up the upload video screen. So next what you want to do is go ahead and drag and drop your video, or alternatively click the blue select files button and choose your video. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and fill in the rest of the fields, like for example the description, you want to add your thumbnail and of course add it to a playlist and so on and so forth. Now once you've done that, you come to the bottom right hand corner and press next, and then you'll be taken to the monetization screen if you're monetized. Then go ahead and press next again. And what you want to do is this section, this is only if you're monetized, and then go ahead and press next. What you can now do is add your video element, so you can add an end screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this one here and then press save. Then go ahead and press next, and you're going to get to the check screen where it's going to check for any copyright problems or ad suitability, things like that. And finally, you just want to press next again in the bottom right hand corner, and this is going to take you across to this screen. Now, if you look in the second section, there's actually a schedule down here. So what you can do is come to the right and you've got this little arrow where it says click to expand. So if you click onto this, you can actually choose when to make your video public. So as you can see, you can set the date in this section here, and you can choose the exact time that you want this to go public. Once that's done, all you need to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press the schedule button. So as you can see, we've got a confirmation saying video scheduled. Your video will be set to public on February the 14th, 2024 at 12:45 AM. Of course, it's going to be different for you depending on the date and time that you've chosen to schedule your video for. So that is how to go ahead and schedule a YouTube video upload. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.